Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most effective ways to earn $20,000 per month in recurring revenue with GoHighlevel. Yes, you heard me correctly, $20,000 per month. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to achieve these types of results, even if you are a beginner. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. If you live in the digital world, you've probably heard about GoHighlevel. If you're new to GoHighlevel, let me break it down for you. GoHighlevel is an all-in-one CRM platform designed for marketers and business owners to manage their leads, clients, and campaigns. And when I say all-in-one, it's an understatement because the platform has all the tools any online business needs. Whether you're looking for a sales funnel, email marketing, workflow automation, SMS marketing, reputation management, or even a membership functionality to build a community or create an online course, GoHighlevel has it all. Most importantly, it includes cutting-edge AI features such as Conversation AI, which automates customer interactions using AI-driven chatbots across SMS, email, and chat. It enhances lead engagement, answers inquiries, schedules appointments, and personalizes follow-ups to streamline communication and boost efficiency. This can be connected to all your social media platforms and answer customer queries on your behalf. This makes it ideal for scaling customer service and lead generation. They also have the AI voice agent feature that answers your customers' calls and books appointments on your behalf. As you can see, this platform has just about every feature an online business might need. Now let's talk about the part you're here for, how to make money with GoHighlevel. There are multiple ways to profit from this platform, but I'm going to focus on the three most lucrative methods. Number 1. As an affiliate. You can promote GoHighlevel as an affiliate and earn 40% recurring commissions. That means every time someone signs up through your affiliate link, you'll get a percentage of their subscription payment month after month. It's a simple and effective way to build passive income. And even if you're not interested in promoting GoHighlevel, I highly recommend considering it as a CRM. Instead of using multiple tools, you can have everything on a single platform and at a much lower cost. Number 2. By selling unlimited sub-accounts. The second way to generate profits is by selling sub-accounts. With the $299 per month plan, you gain access to create unlimited sub-accounts for your clients. This means you can charge your clients anywhere from $97 to $497 or more per month for access. Number 3. As white label software. GoHighlevel offers a white label option, which means you can rebrand their software as your own. You set your own pricing and charge clients whatever you want. You can charge your clients $500 to $2,000 or more per month depending on your niche and features. With this option, you only need 40 clients to reach $20,000 per month. I am telling you, this opportunity is bananas. And for each of these options, you can leverage Gohighlevel Snapshots to sell your accounts to small businesses. For those unfamiliar with the term, a snapshot is essentially a template that contains funnels, workflows, email sequences, and other automations that businesses can use to streamline their operations and drive results. Think of it as a done-for-you system that businesses can plug and play to achieve success. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to target solar professionals. Here is a sample snapshot. As you can see, it includes a fully optimized solar website. There are multiple site options to choose from. All you have to do is add your own logo and business details. The site even has case studies. Then you have high-converting leads generation funnels. Every business needs both a website and sales funnels. Websites build trust and provide a space for people to learn about your business, while sales funnels guide visitors step by step toward taking action. When you run ads, for example, you need to send your prospects to a sales funnel, not to your website. Here, for example, you have a survey on this page to pre-qualify your leads. The snapshots also have social media engagement automations, 52 weekly SMS nurture campaigns, and a full year of email nurturing campaigns. These campaigns educate leads, address objections, and encourage them to revisit your site or funnel, which helps increase conversion rates. Most sales happen through follow-ups, as many leads don't convert immediately. These campaigns allow you to follow up with prospects for an entire year, and that's how you are able to generate a ton of sales. There are a lot more features. These snapshots are complete CRM systems crafted by some of the best copywriters in the world, designed to attract, nurture, and convert leads. Your job would be to reach out to solar professionals and offer them the entire system. You don't even need to be a great salesperson to sell these types of systems. If you approach any business and offer them a full CRM designed specifically for their industry, it practically sells itself. For example, you can go on LinkedIn or on Google Maps and reach out to solar professionals. There are approximately 279,447 solar professionals in the United States, so the opportunity is massive. And that is just one niche. There are millions of small businesses in the U.S. Last year alone, 5.5 million new businesses were created. That is about 458,000 new businesses each month. As you can see, the potential is huge. One of the most attractive features of GoHighlevel is its white label option, which allows you to sell their software under your own brand and charge businesses a monthly fee. If you choose the white label route, you can sell a snapshot to businesses, charge a one-time setup fee, and then collect recurring monthly payments. It's a great deal for them because it allows them to consolidate all the tools they're already paying for into one platform at a lower cost. Plus, they can streamline their operations and reduce staff, as most tasks will be handled by AI. For example, let's say you charge a $1,000 to $5,000 setup fee and then a $500 monthly recurring fee. You will only need 40 clients to make $20,000 in recurring revenue each month, and that's not even counting the setup fees. Here's the best part: you don't need to know anything about GoHighlevel to sell these snapshots. There are third-party companies that can handle onboarding and customer support for your clients for a monthly fee. All you have to do is focus on getting clients, and they'll handle the rest. GoHighlevel also offers 24/7 live chat and Zoom support to assist you or your clients whenever needed. You are probably wondering, where am I going to get these snapshots? Do not worry, I've got you covered. I have around 130 ready-made snapshots for different niches, such as mortgage, pest control, solar, electricians, home security, med-spa, you name it. All these snapshots have been crafted by some of the best copywriters in the industry. People are reselling these snapshots for $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000, depending on the industry. However, you can get all these snapshots for only $499. And if you use my affiliate link to sign up for GoHighlevel or to upgrade to a different plan, you can get these snapshots completely free. I know a lot of people are going to hate me for this. As I mentioned, people are making a living selling each of these snapshots for $1,000 or more, and I'm giving them to you for free. You also get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days when using my affiliate link, as well as a free live bootcamp to help you get started. You also get the following bonuses when signing up using my affiliate link: access to a full tutorial on how to get started with GoHighlevel, my ebook, which provides step-by-step guidance on how to sell GoHighlevel to small businesses, including a list of third-party companies for onboarding and support, a one-on-one onboarding call with a GoHighlevel expert, and access to a private Facebook group for GoHighlevel members. You'll find the link to sign up below this video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your income online.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.